Bluetooth connectivity has become a huge part in the gaming space in recent years. Through Bluetooth, gamers are able to stream audio wirelessly through a headset, earbuds, or speakers, eliminating the need for cords. This wasn't possible on the Nintendo Switch without the use of an adapter until recently, when a firmware update unlocked the ability to use Bluetooth natively on a device. Now I'm going to show you how to do that right now. To connect a Bluetooth audio device to your Switch, you want to make sure your device is updated to the latest version. Navigate over to the settings menu, scroll down until you find Bluetooth audio, then select pair a device. Make sure the device you want to pair is turned on and in pairing mode. It took my Switch a few moments to find my wireless headphones. Once your device is paired, you're good to go. Up to 10 devices can be saved using this method, but only one can be used at any given time. To remove a device that you no longer want saved, just select that device and choose Remove Device. When it comes to quality, durability, and reliability, I'm curious to know, what's your go-to for Bluetooth audio? Let me know in the comments below. And while you're here, do me a favor and be sure to subscribe and click the notification bell to know when I upload new videos. And now, back to the video. Now it's important to know that you can only connect up to 2 wireless controllers when using Bluetooth audio. That means you're either limited to 2 Joy-Cons or 2 Pro controllers with a headset, assuming you're playing docked or in tabletop mode. Also, Bluetooth audio is not supported in local multiplayer. One last thing that may be a downer for most people is that Bluetooth microphones are still not supported, so you'll have to continue using the Nintendo Switch Online mobile app if you want to do voice chat. Thank you so much for watching this video. Stick around and watch some more. You can pick one of these right over here. And until then, I'll see you in the next video.